Hey everybody, it's Charlie from Daily Motor, and today we've got the real-world highway fuel economy test of the 2020 BMW X5 40i all-wheel drive. We're going to head on the highway, do 50 miles out, 50 miles back, averaging 70 miles per hour, and get a realistic fuel economy average for this SUV. So before we get started, let's hop out, take a quick look at the car. Coming in here in this kind of cool maroon purplish color, the very excellent BMW X5. Refreshed in 2019, comes with a variety of powertrain options. This is arguably the most common, the inline-six turbo, featuring xDrive all-wheel drive, of course. If you want to see more on the X5, check the links in our description for our full review and our dedicated review of the Harman Kardon audio system. So why do we do this test? Well, the EPA fuel economy test that gives this car 26 miles per gallon on the highway, that test only averages 48 miles per hour over its duration. We feel there are people who use their vehicles on long road trips and would like to know what they can expect to get in the real world and not some lab-created number. I'm sure you've experienced a situation where your car was supposed to get X, Y, or Z fuel economy number and you experienced much more or much less in a realistic setting. So we're going to fill up using the same pump and the same fueling method both before and after the test, and get a realistic number. Ambient temperature today, 47 degrees. Tire pressures are set to 35 front cold, 42 rear cold. These are the Pirelli P0 summer tires on this model. 21-inch option. We will be using 93 octane premium fuel. Initial fill was 7.759 gallons, so it should be good and clean. Before we actually start up the car, going to reset our GPS. We're also going to reset the car's tripometer. And there we go. Eco Pro mode, climate control to 73 degrees auto, and away we go. We're going to drive nice and easy to the highway and pick up the test from there. Now the goal of this test is not to hypermile, but rather to get an accurate, economical fuel economy average. We're going to get up to highway speed, nice and easy. We're not going to draft people. We're going to set the cruise control at 73 miles per hour according to the GPS. And do 50 miles out and 50 miles back in the opposite direction. Come back and fill up. Looks like 74 on the speedometer gives us 73 on the GPS. So we're going to set one over. And off we go. We'll catch up at the end of the test. In the meantime, enjoy this time lapse. Coming into the end of the highway fuel economy test here in the X5 40i. pleasantly surprised. Now, I've done a lot of these tests, and BMWs almost always exceed their EPA numbers. In fact, looking over all the data from Car and Driver over all of their highway fuel economy tests, last I looked, only one BMW had not exceeded its EPA over all their tests they've ever done. So BMWs do very well at highway cruising, and this one is no different. EPA fuel economy rating for this X5 is 26 miles per gallon, and according to the trip computer, we're averaging 27.7. Now, obviously, we're going to go fill up the car at the same pump using the same fueling method to see if that number is reliable within our testing. However, if it does hold true, then that is going to be a very impressive result. Highway comfort's been great, no big surprise there. Road noise is relatively good. Been testing the Harman Kardon audio system, and it's quite good as well. Check the link in the description if you want to see more on that. There's tons of adjustability with these seats. Climate's kept a nice temperature. Everything's been good. So we're going to take it nice and easy back to the gas station, fill up, and get our result. One thing I do want to note, I also dropped the air suspension down one click. It's got 5 different height settings, and it was on the third, the middle setting, even in Eco Pro. So as we got on the highway, I lowered the height down by 1 and did the entire test in that second lowest setting. We have averaged 70 miles per hour according to the GPS. There we are, 27.9, 102.2 miles on the odometer. The car speedometer only says 99.0, so quite a large discrepancy there. Keep that in mind. Let's fill her up. There we are, nice and full. 3 clicks. Gives us 3.619 gallons. 102.2 divided by 3.619 gives us 28.2 miles per gallon. Really good result. That's even a little bit better than the vehicle's indicated, what was that, 27.9 I think is what we got to. So we can assume 28 miles per gallon. Let's take that and multiply by 21.9, the size of the fuel tank. So you can expect 613 miles on a tank of gas here in the X540i. Good showing. Thank you all so much for watching. Hope you enjoyed this test. If you liked it, hit that subscribe button, check out our other X5 content, and we'll see you on the next one. I'm Charlie from Daily Motor, and as always, drive on.